Welcome to the channel, where we bring you the latest insights on upcoming cars and bikes. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Toyota Minibus, a versatile and innovative vehicle designed to meet the needs of families, businesses, and travelers alike. The Toyota Minibus is a combination of functionality, comfort, and cutting-edge technology, making it a standout choice in the multi-purpose vehicle segment. The 2025 Toyota Minibus features a sleek yet robust design, combining modern aesthetics with practicality. It is powered by a highly efficient engine, ensuring smooth performance and excellent fuel economy, making it ideal for both urban commutes and long journeys. Toyota also offers hybrid and electric variants of the Minibus, catering to those who prefer eco-friendly options without sacrificing power or reliability. Inside, the Minibus boasts a spacious cabin that can comfortably accommodate up to 12 passengers, depending on the configuration. The high-quality materials and ergonomic design ensure maximum comfort for both the driver and passengers. Adjustable seating, ample legroom, and smart storage solutions add to the convenience. The vehicle is equipped with the latest infotainment system, providing seamless connectivity and entertainment for all occupants. Features like wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and a high-definition touchscreen make every journey more enjoyable. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Toyota Minibus. Advanced features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system provide enhanced security and peace of mind. The robust build and multiple airbags further ensure safety in all driving conditions. The Minibus is designed for versatility, making it suitable for family outings, group travel, or commercial use. Its innovative design allows for customizable interiors, including options for luxury seating, foldable arrangements, or routed cargo space. The exterior features LED lighting, aerodynamic styling, and durable materials, making it both stylish and practical. If you love exploring the latest vehicles and their features, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Your support keeps us motivated to bring you detailed reviews, specs, and updates on the newest cars and bikes. Hit the subscribe button and become part of our growing community of automotive enthusiasts.